In this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through that who logged into your Instagram account. You can check it. So what you need to do first is open up your Instagram account. After that, you have to click on this three dot bar icon right here. After that, you can see here is an option settings and privacy. You have to click on it. Please watch the full video to solve your problem, to see who is gonna access your Instagram account. Okay. So after that, you have to click on the accounts center right here. Then we are gonna find this password and security option in the third option right here. I'm gonna click it, password and security. Then what you need to do is click on this where you are logged in. Okay, you have to click on the first option right here where you are logged in. You have to click on it. Then here you can see here is the devices your accounts are logged in. If someone have your password or someone have logged in your Instagram account, you can see his mobile name right here. Okay, so this is how you can check who is logged in your Instagram account. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.